Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to share my experience with a game changer in personal wellness, the Medicinal Garden Kit. Now, I know we're all looking for ways to take control of our health, and this kit, curated by the incredible Nicole Apelian, is a real gem. So, let me take you on a journey through my Medicinal Garden Kit experience. First things first, does the Medicinal Garden Kit work? Absolutely! This isn't just a collection of seeds, it's a pharmacy in your backyard. With 10 powerful herbal seeds, this kit has become my go-to for relief from various illnesses. The best part? Nicole Apelian has made it foolproof with a detailed instruction manual, so you don't need to be a gardening expert to benefit from it. Now, let's talk about whether it's good. It's not just good, it's fantastic. The essential antioxidants and nutrients packed into these herbal seeds are like nature's medicine cabinet. From pain relief to fighting infections and battling colds and fevers, this kit has got you covered. It's like having a natural remedy for everyday health challenges right in your own backyard. You might be wondering, is it worth the investment? Absolutely, without a doubt. Having a small pharmacy at home is invaluable. The peace of mind knowing you can turn to nature for support in times of need is truly priceless. It's an investment in your health and well-being that keeps on giving. Now, the big question, where to buy the Medicinal Garden Kit? You can only get the authentic kit on the official website. And trust me, you want the real deal. To avoid any confusion, I've dropped the official link in the video description and the first pinned comment below. Don't fall for imitations, go straight to the source. Now, who is this kit for? Well, it's for anyone who cares about their health. Whether you have a green thumb or you struggle to keep a cactus alive, the Medicinal Garden Kit is for you. It empowers you to take control of your well-being and harness the incredible healing power of nature, right in the comfort of your own home. In conclusion, the Medicinal Garden Kit isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It works wonders, it's absolutely fantastic, it's worth every penny, and you can only get the real deal from the official website. So, why wait? Transform your backyard into a sanctuary of health today with the Medicinal Garden Kit. Your future self will thank you. Remember, this life-changing kit is exclusively available on the official website. Check the description and the first pinned comment for the official link. Take that step towards a healthier you won't regret it.